Let's see just how bad it's going to be getting out of this place tonight. Come on. So far, not too terrible, but ain't good either. On the way in, the entranceway was clogged with idiots parking parallel and parallel and parallel, so it was down to 1.5 lanes at best. So hopefully I can get the hell out of here. I doubt it. This guy here on the left, he's actually in the travel lane. All these drivers to my right, there's an entire line of trucks that you may or may not notice. Until this idiot right here moves, they're stuck. This is part of the reason there's a driver shortage. Nobody wants to deal with this crap. Even I don't want to deal with this crap. But I don't have to park here, I just have to get fuel here. Now, this covered wagon in front of me is just, he stopped long enough to get his receipt or his log or whatever. Look off to the right, see 1, 2, 3 guys deep parked. That's because there just can't be enough parking spaces at a Pilot. It's one of the more popular fueling options. It would be nice to let this guy in. Can get out safely. Luckily, such as today, I have the option of turning my entire trip within my available hours. I didn't have to do a split. Matter of fact, they got me done early enough that I didn't have to split. So I've got about another hour to drive to get home, drop my trailer at the shipper, bobtail home. Tomorrow I have my physical, and then I've got a late night delivery. Although, judging by the construction I saw tonight, I'm going to want to leave early or find another way around about 30 miles of road. Talk to you later, guys.